and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to give you a little handbag update tea on a few handbags that are coming out. I am also going to speak on the Neverfulls and also on the Nano Armors that are coming out as well. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, before we start, I want to say, guys, no, I'm not dressed up. I am in a relaxed mood right now. You know, I've been shopping, school shopping for my kids. I was like, I'm not going to change. So guys, what you see today is what you're going to get, but it's my energy that counts, okay? And also, I want to thank you guys so much for making my husband just feel loved and comfortable. He truly appreciates it, and he will be in more videos later this year. Okay, so I have my notes, guys. I am going to speak on a few handbags, but I am going to speak on the Neverfull first. You know, this is some information. You guys know I have to ask my CA 101 questions. And so I asked about the Neverfulls. Guys, they are not discontinued. I know I called client services and I know I spoke with someone. I even recorded, let you guys hear. She said that they were discontinued. The only part that she was correct about, guys, is how many they are actually making. Like the production, they have slowed down, but they have not stopped. So you can find Neverfulls. It's just in certain boutiques at the moment. And yes, guys, they do have a waiting list. And I heard if you're on the waiting list, you are actually being called very fast. So just make sure when you get on this waiting list, you have the funds available when your number is called. Okay, so again, the Neverfulls, they are not discontinued. They will be back on the website early 2024. So you don't have to go to these consignment shops and pay thousands of dollars more just for a Neverfull handbag. Just have a little patience. Get on the waiting list or wait until next year. My only issue with LV and this item unavailable on the website for these Neverfull handbags, why do they have the monoglam? Why did they make the monoglam Neverfull? Like, it's still placed in cart. We want the classic print. That's what we want. I have no issues with the monoglam, you know, collection. But if you are going to stop producing Neverfulls, stop all the way around. Okay, stop all the way around, because you have these newbies that are now entering the luxury community and they want the classic prints. And they go on the website and they can't purchase. I just think that's crazy. So I just feel like, except for creating all these other Neverfulls that are basically sitting on the website not selling, bring back the classics. I mean, get the money there. Don't create other Neverfulls that are basically going to be sitting in stock on the website. So that's just how I look at things. Like I said, I'm a business owner, and I don't know what business tactic this is that they are playing with the Neverfulls, but I am only here to give you guys an update. They will be returning. As of right now, get on a waiting list. Be patient, or if you feel you need it ASAP, go and purchase from a consignment shop. The next I want to speak on, guys, is the mini Bumbag. Some of you guys are still searching high and low, and I am here to tell you guys, you are going to be searching for a while. From what my CA told me, I spoke to 3 different ones, guys. You know, my ear is always to the streets. Their waiting list, I have one CA, her waiting list is almost 700. Guys, it's not in production. They are not even making the mini Bumbags right now. I don't know why they won't go ahead and just say, hey, it's done. It was an exclusive release. Or again, if they're using it as a business tactic, just to, you know, add hype around the mini bum bag, which it's hype around it. I love the mini bum bag. I told you, it holds an iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max and my daily essentials. So yes, the hype is well deserved when it comes to the mini bum bag. And I don't want to hear you guys can say what you want. The bag is bomb, okay? I'm sorry, I had to go get it just to show you guys. This is the mini bum bag, guys. You know, I've showed you so many times. You've seen it on Instagram. You've seen it on my YouTube shorts. But again, the waiting list is out of control. As of right now, like my CA said, it's not even being produced right now. The waiting lists are absolutely long. You are most definitely going to have to find this in the consignment shop department. It's insane. I don't know how they are going to mark up the prices, but I paid roughly a little bit over $2,000. And like I said, I don't know what they're going to price it at. I really hate that this happened because some of you, just like me, honestly thought this wouldn't hold what it actually holds, and it's amazing. This is an amazing size, and it just does amazing things for me. I love it, absolutely do. So again, if you're on the waiting list for the mini bum bag, guys, just keep your fingers crossed. That's all I can say, because as of right now, like my CA said, they're not even producing them like that. And if they are, some of the boutiques are getting one. I know I contacted the CA in the Galleria here in Houston, and she was like, honestly, Marquita, you were the last one because you didn't pre-order. I haven't seen another bum bag, mini bum bag come through here. So I am so blessed I was able to snag one. But again, if she does let me know that one comes through, I will be sure to put it in my stories on Instagram so one of you guys can snag it. The next item I want to speak on is the high-rise bum bag. I just got this information this morning because some of you guys were in my inbox worrying about the launch date being moved back. One of my CAs, she did say that she can no longer log in on the website, you know, the website portal for CAs, and see the high-rise bum bag like she did before. Okay? Like she said, I'm only saying what she's telling me. Either the launch date, which is August the 4th, has been pushed back, or pre-orders are just closed. That's it. So if you have heard anything else, let me know in the comments. And if you have pre-ordered, just consider yourself lucky, because I don't know if that means that it was, you know, an exclusive release. They are really playing games with these bum bags. They really, really are. So just keep your fingers crossed. I don't do pre-orders. I had the option to order 2 at the time. I believe that was a week or 2 ago, and I kindly passed because I'm okay with the original bum bag, and you guys know how I feel about the mini bum bag. I am at bum bag peace with the 2 that I have. So if you did pre-order, kudos to you. If you have a bomb CA that has been with, you know, Louis Vuitton for some time, they most definitely can get it for you. But as of right now, she said that she doesn't even see it in their portal. So either the launch date has been moved back, or it's just mean the pre-orders are closed, and that's it. Let me know if you heard anything different. I want to also speak on the East-West reverse monogram on the go tote. A few of you guys asked me, was I purchasing? I've always wanted a larger bag with a zipper closure, and this is perfect. I love that it's the extended zipper on this handbag. I absolutely love that it's an on-the-go tote, but I absolutely hate the size. I really do. It look amazing. It really does. It looks amazing as a crossbody. It looks amazing on, but I am basically tired of purchasing these same handbags. If you give me a reverse monogram, like I said, speedy. If you give me a reverse monogram Armor BB, if you give me a reverse monogram Neverfull MM, because that's what I really want, with a zipper, I honestly will be satisfied. I don't want an on-the-go tote, east-west on-the-go tote, a smaller reverse monogram on-the-go tote. I already have one in my collection. And so if I do get, if I do want another on-the-go tote in reverse monogram, I will go for a GM, nothing smaller. We even have the on-the-go tote PM in reverse monogram. I just feel like LV is basically just giving us and throwing out the same handbags. Only difference is this has a zipper and it's extended zipper, wider opening. But you could have just took the zipper off and the on-the-go tote stays open anyway. So I don't know. You know, usually when the handbag comes out, I see it in person, I change, but I'm really working on that for myself, and hopefully you guys are too. I'm just really not into buying the same handbags. I'm trying to move past that. So for you guys that asked me in my inbox, it is still going to be released, guys. I haven't heard anything about it being moved back. So the east-west on-the-go tote in reverse monogram is coming out, but as far as me purchasing and investing in that handbag, it is a no. Handbags I want to talk to you guys about is the Louis Vuitton Nano Armor handbags. Honestly, it was a hard pass for me. It's a hard pass for me. Recently, I purchased this beautiful orange Armor, and I know I keep showing this because I love it so much, and my husband rated a 10 as well. So I love it, and it's the epi leather as well for me. It's the epi leather for me. I love this color. This is the perfect orange color. I am also going to dress this up with some brown as well, so don't just think you're going to see this just for the summer. I am bringing this baby out, okay? So it's coming out in a few colors in the same epi leather in the Nano family. I am going to pass, and I am going to tell you guys why I'm passing. Because I am full of Nano handbags that I hardly use. I don't want to purchase a Nano handbag, and I am already loving this size. And so it's going to be either the Nano that I use or the Emma. You know, I have two in the orange and also in the green. I don't want to purchase handbags basically that I already have in my collection. I don't want to purchase a Nano handbag because I have Nano handbags that I actually don't use. I am going to show you. This is my Nano Speedy. Very cute. Beautiful. I love using it as a crossbody. I have used this a couple of times already in the past, and you guys know this is the original. I cut the strap off. I do have a video on that. And I have the beautiful, and I have it stuffed. This is the beautiful Nano OLAY. And I kept the strap on this one. I was okay with it. So here is the Nano OLAY. And this isn't in the Nano family, but I do consider it one of my smaller handbags. And I put it with the Nano family. This is the Petite Sac Plaque. And I'm also going to include my beautiful mini Bumbag. So guys, I have so many smaller handbags in my collection, and if I'm not reaching for them like that, I don't want to go out and purchase another Nano knowing that I really wouldn't use it, okay? But absolutely cute. As a crossbody, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to purchase so bad. I want this so bad, but I'm out of the phase of purchasing because handbags are cute. So let me know if you guys are interested, if you guys are going to purchase. I am going to be so jealous, but I am going to also be so happy, and I am going to stalk your page because I think they are absolutely gorgeous. Unless I purchase just a hand down to my daughter. But as of right now, she's on her little Fendi bus and she's not thinking about LV. So for you guys that asked, the Nano Armor handbag most definitely is not on my list to purchase. I have another handbag that I am seeking to purchase, and we are going to talk about that next. Okay, so I'm super excited because the Atlantis handbag is coming to the US. Yes, guys, we are getting the Atlantis handbag. You know, a couple of months ago when the Atlantis information, you know, kind of leaked out, we heard that it was only going to be released in South Korea. My CA did update me. We are receiving the Atlantis handbag here in the US, and I told you guys I was dreaming about it anyway, so my dreams do come true. Booyah. But anyways, guys, I am super excited. The only thing that she couldn't confirm for me is the size. Which one are we going to receive? You know, in which print, because you know it's coming out in the monogram and it's also coming out in the reverse monogram. And I did a video on this like I think 4 months ago. Even the leather, we have some leather handbags in the Atlantis that is coming out as well. Not sure if we are getting that in the US. I only asked about the monogram or reverse monogram because that's what I'm interested in. So I am hoping, fingers crossed, I am hoping in the MM size I can get my hands on the monogram, and in the smaller size I am hoping that I get my hands on the reverse monogram. For those that ask about the handle, I am just going to give you a little preview of what I think it is going to look like, and I am going to use my Ikari Maxi Tote from YSL. Guys, this is how the handle is, okay? It comes with 2 handles, right? But they are only using one of the handles to cross over another handle, guys, which makes it close like something like this, okay? So don't be discouraged. I seen someone say, oh my God, it has 1 handle. No, it's going to have 2 handles, and it's going to basically be like this, like in a hobo style, to where you can hold it over your shoulder. Nothing or no one is going to discourage me from purchasing the Atlantis handbag. Like I said, coming out in 2 sizes, okay? I really have to get my hands on one of these handbags. I love the MM size. It does look quite large, but the BB size, oh my gosh. And you know what? I need to confirm if it's a PM, because in the text message, one of them said a PM and one of my CAs said a BB. I need to confirm that. One of my CAs did say BB, so I'm going to go back and get some information on that as well. But as of right now, let's just enjoy that we are actually getting the Atlantis handbag, okay? And again, 2 handles. I love the creativity. I love the bag tag in front of the Atlantis. On the monogram, I am hoping that it's treated vachetta. As of right now, it doesn't look that way, but I am still going to take this handbag and love on it so much. As of right now, it doesn't look like I'm going to get the triangle softy in the condition that I want from a consignment shop. So this most definitely in the reverse monogram is going to please me for a while. And I'm also looking at the black leather. That's going to be amazing as well. So guys, as I get information, I will be sure to share with you. If you guys have heard anything, please leave it in the comments. That's what our community is about. We share information, okay? We don't gatekeep. We share information. That's why some of you guys come in my inbox. I love you so much for sharing what your CA has told you, and I go back and try to confirm. But we're family. Let's stick together, guys, okay? So thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.